Students, friends, good morning. Today we shall study velocity distribution, energy correction factor, momentum correction factor, etc. Velocity distribution. The presence of corners and boundaries in an open channel causes the velocity vectors of the flow to have components not only in the longitudinal and lateral direction but also in normal direction to the flow. You can see in this figure, this is the boundary of the channel flow. These are the various velocity distributions. Say for example 0.48 meters per second, 0.62 meters per second, zero point 0.8 meters per second, 0.76 meters per second. This resembles the contours in survey which you have studied. What is the contour? The line joining the points of equal elevation. Similarly here, this is known as isovels, means these are the velocity lines. At each and every point on that line, velocity remains same. That is known as isovel. Figure shows isovels, contours of equal velocity of V for a natural channel. The influence of the channel geometry is apparent. The velocity V is 0 at the solid boundaries and gradually increases with distance from the boundary. So at boundary it is 0, and as it moves toward the center, the velocity increases. That is the meaning of this statement. The maximum velocity of the cross section occurs at a certain distance below the free surface. So the maximum velocity will not be at the free surface, it is just below the free water surface. That is because of presence of secondary currents. The maximum velocity occurs at a distance 0.05 times the y to 0.25 times y from the free surface, where y is depth of flow. As shown here, this is the depth of flow y, and all other dimensions have been given. This is the velocity distribution curve. Deeper and narrower the channel, more deep the point of maximum velocity be. The average velocity occurs at a distance 0.6 times the depth of flow from the free liquid surface. Velocity average may be taken equal to 0.2 times v plus 0.8 times v divided by 2. This velocity is slightly less than the surface velocity. That is about 0.8 to 0.85 times less than the surface velocity. Now velocity profile. This is representing or showing the velocity profile. Let us consider a small elementary area dA here. Then discharge through the elemental area or elementary area dA having velocity small v is given by dq is equal to v dA. So total discharge q is equal to integral v multiplied by dA, where v is the actual velocity and dA is the small elementary area. Considering the average velocity capital V and area is equal to capital A, then discharge q is equal to VA. Now we can equate these two equations, this one and this one we can equate. We get VA is equal to integral V dA. Therefore average velocity V is equal to 1 upon A multiplied by integral V dA, where small v is the actual velocity flowing through the elementary area and capital V is the average velocity in the channel. Now, kinetic energy factor, alpha. First of all, we will see what is the kinetic energy. mass of fluid, that is liquid, passing through the area dA, elementary area dA is given by rho v dA, where rho is the mass density of liquid, v is the actual velocity, dA is the small elementary area. Now kinetic energy through the area dA is equal to half mv squared. We know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. Therefore, half v squared multiplied by mass rho v into dA. Therefore, kinetic energy through section for variable velocity is given by half integral rho v cube dA. If area is capital A and average velocity is capital V, then kinetic energy is equal to half v cube A by 2. Therefore, kinetic energy correction factor is defined as the ratio of kinetic energy based on actual velocity small v divided by kinetic energy based on average velocity, that is capital V. Therefore, alpha is the notation used to represent kinetic energy factor is equal to half of integral rho v cube dA divided by half rho capital V cube multiplied by capital A. Similarly, momentum correction factor. What is momentum? Momentum of liquid passing through small area dA is equal to rho v squared dA multiplied by V. Rho v dA multiplied by V. Momentum of liquid passing through the full section capital M is equal to integral of rho v squared dA. If area is equal to A and average velocity is equal to capital V, then momentum is equal to M rho capital V squared into capital A. Therefore, moment correction factor or momentum correction factor beta represented by is equal to the ratio of momentum based on actual velocity divided by momentum based on average velocity, that is equal to beta is equal to 1 upon A integral of V by V capital V whole squared dA. If the velocity distribution is uniform, then energy factor and energy correction factor and momentum correction factor may be taken equal to unity, that is 1. Alpha and beta increases in non-uniformity of velocity, but for any variation of velocity, alpha shall be greater than beta and both shall be greater than 1. Remember, energy correction factor alpha and energy momentum correction factor beta should always be greater than 1. Further, alpha should be greater than beta in any case, in case of non-uniformity of velocity. And also, but for any variation of velocity, this is the fact. Okay. Thanking you for watching. We will continue in the next class. Have a good day.